Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here today to share with you what it is that I eat while I'm knitting. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with another Knit and Natter Vlogmas video today. That's about 22, I think. I think we're on the 22nd day. I'm losing count. So these are the things that I will eat after lunch really. Not a big snacker. I eat at meal times more often than not, and I will have a treat after lunch. So while my tea is brewing, because I would love a cup of tea after my lunch, I will sit there with a couple of things, and here they are. First thing is some organic digestives. I love these because they have a really strong wheaty flavour to them. I used to make digestives for myself when I was a teenager, and I can remember that flavour to them. And these are Dove's Farm organic digestives, and I just love that. Reminds me of the ones that I used to make myself. I will also eat these little chocolate buttons, and they come from a lovely little brand, Coco Loco. I buy them from Abel and Cole in the UK, Abel and Cole veg box delivery company, but they just do pantry items as well as the veg box now, and they do meat and fish and dairy and everything. So I love the fact that I can fill up on so much stuff from them, and I get the chocolate buttons from them. I love the dark ones, my husband likes the milk ones, so yeah, can't go wrong with 2 or 3 chocolate buttons on the plate with a couple of digestives after lunch. Nice. But this time of year I will also be getting these mince pies. I love mince pies. I've eaten them since I was a child, but I really like these because they remind me of the ones that my mum always made. She used to make them with a little Christmas tree on the top, so that the mincemeat gets a little browned, it bakes really nicely, and the proportion between the pastry and the mincemeat is really nice too. Too much pastry for me means that I'm not that interested, so I really like these. And it's a small treat, you know, it's not like I'm eating a whole massive piece of pie. It's a small treat after lunch, and it works. So that's really my snack that I eat while I'm knitting after lunch, and it makes sense. I have my knitting and I have my snack and my cup of tea. There you go, all done, ready. And I will get a few rows in after lunch, and at the moment I'm knitting myself a wintry jumper. So I need to keep knitting, and it's a really great incentive to sit down, maybe put some Netflix on or my audio book with my cup of tea, my snack, and just keep on knitting. Right, I'd love to know what you snack on while you're knitting. Put it in the comments below. I will put a link to these in the description if I can. Fingers crossed that I can find the link and that you can buy them as well. If you're not in the UK, then you probably can't, but if you are in the UK and you can, I highly recommend them, especially these mince pies. Very, very nice. I'm going to talk tomorrow about everything that I drink while I'm knitting, and that is cups of tea. I love my cups of tea. You probably know that already. It's just one of my things, and I will talk more about that tomorrow. I'll see you for that. Bye for now. Happy knitting.